If you want to recover a deleted call log history on your Android device, so first of all, make sure that your phone is connected to internet, because otherwise this method won't work. Now open up your browser. It can be Google Chrome, basically anything what you are using, right? Now we gotta search for Call History Monitor application. So put it into your search bar. And now here will be a list of websites where you can get this application. Choose the best for you, however, be careful when you're choosing it. Now let's press download APK, confirm your choice. Now give your phone a couple minutes to download it. The download speed depends on your internet speed. So as it is downloaded, press open. So choose the file and press install. Now give your phone a couple seconds to confirm the installation. As the application is installed, you can simply press done and open it up from the home screen, or let's press open. Now it will ask you to give an access, so you have to do that for the application to work correctly, right? Now press continue, and here is all of your log history, so even your deleted files and so on and so forth. So after the scan, you can press menu, you can press export log, and you can choose the file format, for example this one, and you can automatically share it to Google Drive or maybe to Gmail, to WhatsApp, like whatever you are sending it to. And basically that's it. So following the steps, you'll be able to recover and safely restore all of your deleted call logs. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.